So we want to divide 2x over 5, which is a rational expression, by 6x plus 12 divided by 5x plus 10, another rational expression. So this would simply translate to 2x over 5, entire thing divided by 6x plus 12 over 5x plus 10. So that division is what we have here. Now, fraction over fraction, rational expression over rational expression, we just flip and multiply. So 2x over 5 multiplied by the reciprocal of the denominator rational expression, 5x plus 10 divided by 6x plus 12. There is nothing I could do with 2x over 5, so I'm going to leave it as is. 5x plus 10 divided by 6x plus 12, the second rational expression. In the numerator, I have 5 in common. So if I pull that out, I would have x plus 2. In the denominator, I have 6 in common. If I pull that out, I would have x plus 2. The x plus 2's will get cancelled. So the second rational expression reduces to 5 over 6. So we have 2x over 5 multiplied by the reduced expression, 5 over 6. The 5's would get cancelled. The 2 and the 6 would get cancelled. The answer is x over 3. So there is nothing I could do with 7 divided by 3x in terms of simplification. But I can rewrite our division by 7 over 3x multiplied by 18 minus 9x divided by 14 minus 7x. 18 minus 9x divided by 14 minus 7x. We want to see if we can factor and simplify. I have a 9 in common, so if I pull that out in the numerator or from the numerator, I will have 2 minus x. In the denominator, I have a 7 in common. If I pull that out, I would have 2 minus x. So the 2 minus x will get cancelled, and I will have 9 over 7. So the second rational expression reduces to 9 over 7. So we have 7 over 3x multiplied by 9 over 7. The 7's will get cancelled. The 3 and the 9 would get cancelled. So we have 3 over x. So division, first step, we have to convert to multiplication. So x squared minus 4 divided by 3x plus 6 times the reciprocal of the other rational expression. So x squared plus 4x plus 4 divided by 2x squared minus 8x plus 8. And now we can take care of the rational expressions individually and simplify them and multiply them later. So x squared minus 4 divided by 3x plus 6. X squared minus 4 is of the form a squared minus b squared. So I could write the numerator as x plus 2 times x minus 2. In the denominator, there is a 3 in common. If I pull that out, I would have x plus 2. So those two would go away. And we will simply have x minus 2 divided by 3. The second rational expression, x squared plus 4x plus 4, divided by 2x squared minus 8x plus 8. The denominator has a 2 in common. So if I pull that out, I will have x squared minus 4x plus 4. The numerator can be factored as x plus 2 times x plus 2. The denominator can be factored as 2 times x minus 2 times x minus 2. Now we could put the two simplified expressions together. So x minus 2 over 3 times x plus 2 times x plus 2 divided by 2 times x minus 2 times x minus 2. Those two would get cancelled, and looks like that's the best we can do. So x plus 2 times x plus 2 is x plus 2 squared, divided by 6, 3 times 2 is 6, multiplied by x minus 2. And that would be the final answer. So first step would be to convert the division part to a multiplication. So the division becomes multiplication. I'm multiplying by the reciprocal. The numerator is x squared minus 6x plus 9, which is simply, well, let me do them separately. So x squared minus 6x plus 9 divided by x squared minus x minus 6 is our first rational expression. The numerator is simply x minus 3 times x minus 3. The denominator can also be factored. It can be factored as x minus 3 times x plus 2. I have an x minus 3 in common. That would go away. So we will have x minus 3 over x plus 2. The second rational expression, 4 over x squared minus 9, I could write it as 4 divided by x plus 3 times x minus 3. There is nothing else we could do with that particular expression. So we have x minus 3 divided by x plus 2 multiplied by 4 divided by x plus 3 times x minus 3. Now we have an x minus 3 in common. We can get rid of that. So we will have 4 divided by x plus 2 times x plus 3. So we have to convert the division to a product. So the first rational expression multiplied by the reciprocal of the second. Now I'm going to do them separately. So 6a squared b squared divided by a squared minus 4 There is nothing I could do about the numerator, so I'm going to leave that as is. The denominator, a squared minus 4, I could write it as a plus 2 times a minus 2. The second rational expression, we just keep it because we cannot factor. So I'm going to rewrite the first rational expression, 6a squared b squared divided by a plus 2 times a minus 2 multiplied by a minus 2 divided by 3ab squared. A minus 2 gets cancelled. B squared gets cancelled. The a and one of the a's and a squared will get cancelled. The 3 and the 6 would get cancelled. So we have 2a divided by a plus 2. First step, we have to convert the division to multiplication. So x squared minus 3x divided by x cubed minus 27 multiplied by x squared plus 3x plus 9 divided by x. So the first rational expression, x squared minus 3x divided by x cubed minus 27. The numerator, I have an x in common. So I could pull that out. That would give me x times x minus 3. The denominator has an x cubed in it. So the question, and it is a binomial, it has only 2 terms. So if I could write the number as a perfect cube, then I could use the special product. 27 is simply x cubed, 27 is simply 3 cubed. So I could write the denominator as x cubed minus 3 cubed. That is a special product. A is x and b is 3. So we have a minus b multiplied by a squared plus a times b, which is 3 times x, plus b squared, 9. Now, the x minus 3 will get cancelled. So we have x divided by x squared plus 3x plus 9. There is nothing we could do about the x squared plus 3x plus 9 because we cannot factor it. So we can go back to the first step, replace our first rational expression by the simplified version. X divided by x squared plus 3x plus 9 multiplied by x squared plus 3x plus 9 divided by x. So that term will get cancelled. That and that will get cancelled. So the answer is 1. So first step is to convert this division to a product. So times the reciprocal. There is nothing we could do about the first term or the first rational expression because there's nothing to simplify there. So we can move on to the second. The numerator, it's just 4a cubed multiplied by b. Nothing can be done. But the denominator, though, it's a squared minus b squared. And we know that is a plus b times a minus b. So a plus b divided by ab multiplied by 4a cubed b over a plus b times a minus b. The a plus b's will get cancelled. The b will get cancelled. The a and one of the a's, an a cubed, will get cancelled. So we have 4a squared divided by a minus b.